Hey, Farnzy.
Hey, mate.
What's going on, man?
Just doing some exercises here, mate.
What's happened?
I hurt my shoulder and I got a treat and I was told to do these exercises and it'll fix my shoulder up.
Yeah, how's it going for you?
Not too good. My shoulder's still sore. So.
Not too good. Not too good. Let's have a look at it. What do you reckon?
All right, yeah, please. If you can help me, I'd appreciate that.
Yeah, tell me what happened and where it's sore, and then we'll go from there.
I had a big fall where I fell on concrete, fell on my hip and my shoulder, and it's been sore. And I got it treated for seeing someone through work injury, and I pointed to the place where my pain was, and I was told that if I do those exercises, then we'll get rid of it. It hasn't got rid of it, so I just want to treat it and dealt with basically. So
okay. Yeah. So we've got to go to the source.
Please. Yeah. So
All right.
So what?
Have a seat, man. Have a seat. Let's just get into it.
Okay, mate.
So show me exactly where it is.
So my pain is right here. So when I move moving it back, it's just here. That's where my pain is. Yeah. So moving forward, like there, where you're touching, that's exactly where. Yeah.
And show me the other bits that you. Show me your movement, I suppose.
So
show me what you can do.
If I do this, I'm okay. Not a problem at all. If I do that, I'm okay. If I do that, it's sore there. Yeah, just there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I like doing is, so you've got your own measures, your own tests. So just that pressure on there hurts.
Exactly.
And so you went and got treatment. They didn't even touch this spot.
No, that part wasn't touched.
Yeah. So that's intelligent information. Yeah. Your intel. You know where the spot is, where the damage has been.
That's exactly how. Yeah.
So what I can do is I can kind of cradle your hand, your arm, so you don't have to bear the load.
Okay.
And I can really pinpoint a spot there, and I can start to move and sink in. So I'm slowly sinking in more and more each time, and then I can pinpoint a spot there. So I'm getting deeper and deeper in. How you going?
Good.
I can lift it up a bit, you can rest.
Yeah.
So I can really feel like this. I'm starting to really get a sense of the tissue where it feels like it's really tight and solid, bound up.
Yeah.
So I can really hold that like that there. And just pinning it. So I haven't, the type of stuff I'm doing, I'm just pinning. So I'm not actually moving the connective tissue or anything like that. I'm just trying to hold it and tune in to where it actually needs it and do the right thing for you right now. So what I want to tell you, man, is like when you're getting treatment, you want to have connection on your sore spot. Yeah. You don't want to feel like it's traumatic and doing more damage.
Correct.
Okay, so I've got to negotiate in a manner that's allowing that. You're going to give me permission. You're going to trust me because I'm not hurting you. That's right. But you're trusting me because I'm actually connecting with your spot as well. Sure. Okay, so that's all important. So I'm just probably a couple of minutes now. I've been trying to pin that spot. I can feel if I go down, there's a different angle I can get to get onto more of that solid bit on that shoulder. Just there like that. How's that feel, man?
Good, feels good.
Yeah, so there's a knowing there. We talk about it a bit in our videos. There's a language. You know the language, you know what it means. You know, you understand. Yeah. So you kind of want to understand that I'm onto this. You know, it resonates with you as being a thing that's going to be better in the future for you once it's got more flow in it. Your body can integrate this work, and then your body, it's just facilitating healing. It's blocked up, it's sore, it's stuck, and we want to get the flow back. So like that. How's that feeling, man?
Feeling good. For me, I feel like when you first started to now, it feels just more relaxed. Yeah. It's not as painful.
Yeah, just exploring around that bit that I was initially on, that feels like it's softened a lot.
Yeah.
So now I can kind of just,
there.
When I roll in, a bit more internal, that's where the good stuff is now. So I've kind of cleared a bit where that initial bit was, but now there's associated stuff, like there's ripple-on effects, there's other damage or other spots that are sore. When I lift up that little bit there like that, I can feel it's pushing back into my thumb.
That's it.
So I can just hold that spot and wait for that to melt away. Like that. Okay, it's good, man. I can feel it melting as we go on. It's sort of like the tissues, you can just sort of sense that they kind of start off all resistant, they don't want to know about it. You know what I mean?
Yes. Exactly.
And then after a little bit, you kind of they come around to your way of thinking. You kind of just encouraging them. You're not trying to force it, but they kind of, by just holding it, it starts to melt, and then it starts to relax. The nervous system relaxes. The protection kind of mechanisms that are in there are starting to switch off, and it can calm down, and blood can flow, so it can get out the stuff that's been trapped in there from the damage, or the calcification that starts to happen, or the healing that starts to happen, the scar tissue and things. And then we can get rid of that over scarring, that over protection, that that we have. So protection is a really important thing. We kind of don't want to make the same mistake again, but we also want to know that there is damage in there, and your body's has inflammation and different things like that for a reason, to protect you, and so you don't hurt it further, you don't move it beyond where it's capable. So, but because you've had a bit of time now, it's time to get things going again, get things moving, get your life back in a way. So I'm just
ability to move without pain.
Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm drifting more into medial, just because I'm following the track that I feel like is where the tension is. So it sort of started out wider, but now I'm kind of getting in closer to the midline. So down there.
You're feeling like there's an increased tone in the muscle there.
Yeah,
okay.
You can just sense it. So I'm going to get you here.
Yeah.
Just in a different spot.
Oh yeah, that's it.
That's it there.
Yeah, that's it.
So just changing angles, and sort of you just got to get in there and start exploring. You got to.
Oh yes.
Got to start working into it just to figure out what you need to do, and the answers come. If you keep on being nice and slow and considerate of the person, and just letting the tissues unravel at the rate they want to unravel at, you're going to get a good result. But it's all about being in the now, being in the very moment, being present, and doing to that part of the body, the tissue, what you feel like it needs right now.
Yeah.
So if we kind of get results kind of orientated, like be thinking of the future, how it's going to be, like we're not in the present. We're not in the now, okay? So I want to be right here, right now with you, Farnzy, and doing to this tissue what it needs right now. So that's the key.
Certainly is.
So that's starting to feel a bit better already, huh?
It is. The pain is going.
Yeah. I could do little things with my knee, bringing that up and down.
Yep.
Just to kind of weave into these little nooks and crannies where that pain is. It's up in there. So it's right where it's joining onto the bones. So I'm working tendons, just working where that pain is. That's information, that's intel. So we want to go where that is, and Farnzy can guide me. He can sort of say, I reckon you need to kind of go down. Like I reckon down there is going to have a bit.
Yeah, that's it. You got it. Yep. You can
so I can sense it, but Farnzy can too. When you're getting treatment, you are the expert because you're the one that's...
You know where the pain is. Yeah, exactly.
You can sense it. You can know that, something's coming up, or no, it's going away from the pain, or it's disconnected, things like that. It's not actually touching, pushing in to the spot that you need. So you can sense all this stuff. You are the expert, you know. So it takes me back to, we've been talking about, but like years ago, before I even started therapy, like 25 years ago, I'd go to get treatments and I'd be sitting out in the car park and be working on my own neck or my own body. It's like, you feel a bit violated or a bit ripped off or something like that. You kind of go, I could do a better job of this myself. I know where the spots are.
Yeah, exactly.
So I made that pledge back in those days that I wasn't going to have somebody sitting out in the car park, thinking, they didn't even get the spot. So I made that pledge, and I worked out a lot of stuff by working on my own body as well. So fixed things myself. So it's a little plug for our Fix It Yourself online thing that people all around the world can do, or they can, even if they are our customers, they can buy that and it can supplement what we're doing here in the clinic. You can work into your own body. You are the expert on your own body, and you can get it done yourself a lot better than a lot of times a practitioner that isn't present and doesn't have that intention to help and to care for you and to treat you as a human. You know, we aren't just our physical body. We're a mix of all these different other elements. We're a family, our finances, our job, our spiritual life, whatever it is. We are whole. So sometimes you're not ready. You know, it's too raw or whatever. Even if it's been years, it's still too raw. You're not ready to have that real push or whatever. So you've got to respect where the person's at, where the body is at, and you got to go from there. But yeah. All right, I might just come out. So come out slowly and let you have a bit of a test. Yeah. And see the thumbprint there? Yeah. How's it feeling, man?
Yeah, better.
Better?
Feels better, yeah. Better.
Cool.
Yeah, it does feel better. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No problem. Yeah, it feels better. Coming out of it, it's painful.
Yeah.
Doing that. Yeah, much better. Oh yeah, much better. Yeah.
Anyway, we've got something a bit different. We've got a cameraman. I'm gonna switch over roles here. I'm gonna give the microphone to our cameraman, and he's gonna do something with Farnzy that's a little bit different. He's got a special thing that's just for shoulders in this situation. Let's see what he does. So.
Okay. All right, Farnzy, you're on.
Okay.
Okay.
So I've got control of this camera now.
Yeah.
That's what we need, Leo.
Hey, Leo.
So pretty much, we just got a standard foam roller. But the idea is making sure you have enough kind of like gravity and pressure to help release this front of shoulder.
Yep.
But you're controlling it.
Yep.
And you go by how you want to actually release your body.
Okay.
So we'll go through the position. If you could lay on your stomach, yep, just like that. Just start with that.
Yep.
And we're going for your left side, so just bend your right leg like that.
Yep.
And you place the roller kind of under here and head down for a sec, okay?
Yep.
So, you can actually get up to this part of the shoulder as well, but depending where your body is, you got to find the position. So you want to go to the thumb area or you want to go to the area? So you have to find your spot first. Tell us if it's a bit painful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Cool. And just head down and relax, even lay to the side if you can. Cool. So if you find that's okay, I can assist you and get that deep pressure and the gravity pull down.
Yep.
So let me know if it's all right.
Yep. That's
Cool.
fine. Yeah,
Relax.
it's good.
Cool. I'll just use my body weight. Okay. Very basic
Okay.
stuff. Just go for it. Just like that. There you go. Just on holidays,
Yep.
Just get your partner to do it, Leo.
Yeah. So this is one version, just like a bit of a plank. Come on.
Yeah.
It's very strong, isn't it?
It is. You're making me into a pancake.
Yep.
Crying, are you,
Yep.
Farnzy?
No crying here, mate.
And then when you're ready,
Remember I was going to do the armpit.
No armpits here.
We have to do a card here, Leo.
yep.
Remind us of that episode.
And then the last one, I'll just do a nice sit on your shoulder. And if you can, just do some active release where you bring your hand up and down.
Oh, yeah.
Only to your limit though,
that's
okay?
good.
Just to your limit, like that. Come on.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah. And when there's no further kind of like aches, you've kind of fixed yourself
Oh, yeah.
with a bit of body weight pressure.
Oh, yeah.
Whew. You reckon?
Good.
What do you reckon?
You going to call it?
Yeah.
Alright, sink out,
yeah.
sink out.
Oh,
You gotta
it
sink
feels
out.
good.
Sink out.
Okay. That feels good.
And then we're gonna see what the shoulder has done. So maybe just like open up your shoulder or something.
Yeah.
Just see a bit of that blood flow
Feels
there.
good. That feels
Yeah.
good. That feels good. Oh, yeah. That
Look at
feels
that.
good.
That's all you.
What do you say, Leo?
You're admiring the pec, are you?
You're fixed.
Well done. It's a team effort here.
Thank you, Leo.
Family.
Cheers, mate.
Family. Well done, guys.
Well done, mate. Well, thank you. Hey, I can do push-ups now.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright. Come
Good
on.
on you.
You said you can do push-ups.
Push ups.
No. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Get out of you.
Just focus on that, okay? Go.
Come on. How many we gonna go? What's that, Farnzy? How many?
15.
We'll go for 40.
Okay.
Just go your age. Sorry.
49.
Sorry.
Keep going, Farnzy.
Yes.
How many?
9. This is 30.
Woo!
Ah!
It's whole body, remember? The whole body's into it. Come on.
40.
Come on, yeah.
About 50? We're going to do 4 more. Come on, dude. Get the gauge.
Go, mate.
Come on.
Oh,
Come on.
1 more.
One more. Go for it. Yeah.
That's 50.
Well done. 45, not bad for me. Not bad for a 60-year-old.
Well done, Farnzy. He's fixed. Look at that. Real time. He couldn't do that. He couldn't even move his shoulder around before that. 45
Feel
push-ups.
really good. That's pretty good. That's a record for me at the moment.
Yeah.
45, so.
Us old fellas showing how it's done.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you need some treatment like this, you know where to go. Melbourne
MMT.
Muscular Therapies. Come and see this bloke. For a short time, he's going to be
That's
cheap
Brighton.
up. Next gen, coming into Richmond soon.
Richmond, yeah, from 1st of September onwards. Richmond on a Wednesday.
Yeah.
All day.
All day.
All day.
Come and see us. We'll get it done.